Hi loves, welcome back to my channel, and this video is going to be kind of a makeup video. I'm going to show you how I get ready before any of my dance covers. So yeah, let's get right into this video. Okay, so first step is putting my hair up and taking my glasses off because I need to put on makeup. And let me tell you guys that these glasses I have on, I can't really see without them. Like I can see, but like it's blurry. It's very blurry to the point that I can't see the things which are like closer to me. Not that it's a big number, but like it's not a minor number either. So yeah, I'm practically half blind without them. So now I have my hair tied up and I have taken out my glasses. So before we start getting into the makeup, what I'm going to do is like prep my skin, put on some moisturizer, some sunscreen and some primer before, and I'll get right back. Concealer. So this is the Inside 2X Cover Master Concealer in the shade 03. I'm going to take this concealer and apply it under my eyes. On my forehead, on my nose, on my chin, and cover up those pimple marks. So now I will set my face with the powder. This is my powder and you can see like the darker shade is all used up, but who cares, this is my favorite one. And this is the lighter one which I use to set my under eyes a bit. So we're gonna take this shade, this darker shade, and apply that on our face. Applying powder to my face is a must because I have oily kind of skin. So usually my skin gets oily really easily. I tends to have quite a lot of oil and sweat on my face because that's how my skin tone is. So yeah, the powdering is all done. I'm going to take this lighter shade and apply just under my eyes here. Just like this. So now I'm going to take my color board palette, and in this palette we're gonna take this section, and you can see there is this orangish red kind of color. We're going to take that color on our blush, and I'm going to apply it right on my cheekbones. To be honest, this makeup is going to be really light because probably you won't be able to see my makeup in the camera, because what song I have decided to do is Go Hard by Twice, and this is my white wall and all lights are going to be off and there is just going to be that one red light, so you probably won't even see my face in the video. But okay, let's do our makeup though. Yes, just like this. Now I'm not going to do any eyeshadow this time. I'm just going to put an eyeliner and some lipstick on, and that is how we're going to get our complete look. Yeah, so I'm going to use Blue Heaven's Get Bold waterproof eyeliner. This is what I'm going to use because this is what I'm comfortable with. I cannot properly use the pen ones because it's not in my habit. I have used this since I was a beginner in makeup. I am still beginner in makeup, but yeah, also I don't think I can show you guys. Wait, let me try. So we have taken the brush and I'm going to take this. That is probably the best I can do on the camera. So I will complete this side of my eyeliner and apply eyeliner on this side, and I'll be right back. My eyeliner is done. You can see, yeah, they're not equal, but okay. They say eyeliners are supposed to be sisters, not twins, so, but still pretty good, I think. And now I'm going to take my lipstick. It is by Glam Fam in the shade 29. It is kind of an orangish red tone. It looks brown, but it goes on a reddish orange in a dark color. It is very nude type of color. So I'm smudging up the top. I have just smudged the top of my cupid's bow. I'm just going to keep it as it is. So here's my complete look of my makeup. Now I'm going to go get changed, and yeah, the dance will be uploaded probably before this video gets uploaded. So yeah, if you liked my video, please like this video, obviously, and you can comment too and subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon so you'll get all of the notifications when I post the new videos or dance covers. Thank you for watching.